Driving down the back streets, trying to block me out. Do you remember my name? Cruising down Santa Monica Boulevard. Does it light up the spot? Do you remember my name? Is she a ride or die bitch? Does no one tattooed onto your heart? You can try to fight it. I have left my mark on you. There is nothing you can do. When you think you're over me and your bad baby's dead and gone, I'm the ghost in your machine. Your midlife suicide bomb. Baby, she is not me. She's not me. When you take her to Chateau Marmont, 'cause you picked the top suite, lay her on the bed. Do you remember my name? Strip her down to her bare ass in her Kiki Montparnasse, like I used to have. Do you remember my name? Is she a ride or die bitch? Does she make you shiver under your skin just the way that I did? It won't be the same again. She don't compare to who I am. When you think you're over me and your bad baby's dead and gone, I'm the ghost in your machine. Your midlife suicide bomb. You think baby, she is not me. Try to forget and you tell her that you miss her, but I bet every time you go to kiss her, you get a hot rush feeling on your lips. It's me taking over you, throwing you a curveball, reminding you of our true romance, and just like the first time you went. I wanna be the object of your affection. Give me all your time, touch, money, and attention. Pick me up after school, you can be my baby. Maybe we could go somewhere, get a little crazy. He's rich and I'm wishing he could be my Mr. Yum, delicious to the maximum. Chewing up like bubblegum on this pretty party flavor. He says I'm his favorite flavor.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, long and that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, long and that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
You say that I am flawless, true perfection. So give me all your drugs, props, money, and connections. Pick me up after school, acting kinda shady. You're the coolest kid in town.